What starts as your typical isekai turns into an odd but entertaining twist to this genre of anime. Taken from his home, Makoto is given a skill that allows him to purchase food from his world. The world he is on is a bright one thus far, with backgrounds that are well done and add to the look of the anime. The animation is smooth for the most part, but the camera angles can be a little off at times. The character models and coloring are nice. Not a bad start to the show. Did I mention his familiar? Yeah, he gets one. The world building is simple thus far. 3 out of 5 espresso shots for campfire cooking in another world with my absurd skill. Or as I like to call it, campfire cooking with a long name. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.